Damn. Okay, I feel it. You can feel this current kind of push you. Look at this. Damn. If it was a little higher, it would be pushing me right now. Look at this shit.
Are they gonna go through? Oh shit.
The beach in my backyard.
If some more rain comes tonight, it's not gonna be like this. And if that floods up too, we gonna be what you call FUD. They coming.
Oh shit. Hey, look.
My shoes are fucking soaking. I feel it in the shoes here. If I take it out, it's gonna fall out.
Wow, this is crazy.
You are not a hitchhiker. You're not doing it. Hey, they waved though. Oh, they did. I'm sorry.
Oh shit, they made it through. These are the same people that will be calling for help later when shit go ahead. Hit the fan.
Liven up close and personal.
Yeah, baby. Look at this, man. This thing would be strong enough if it was high enough to push me. Look at it. Now you wanna know what's crazy? It smells just like salt water.
Do it.
Regular neighborhood, people. A regular neighborhood. And here is our car all the way back there.
There's a lot of water coming from over there, y'all. Like a lot.
Let me get a video for Becky. Look at this. You can't see it, but this right here is a ditch. Stop sign, of course, the stop sign always usually parked by a ditch, but this ditch is completely submerged. And this the same level as this road. Look at that. As you can see something right there in the water. Right there, you see that little dot? Right there. That shit moving in the water. They just say it's time to get out of here in the vacuum. Look at this. This is after yesterday this wasn't flooded here. Today it is. I just want you guys to know how hard it rained and how fast the water was able to travel.
Honey, come on.
Girl, bring your ass on. I'll give you a view of my surrounding here. It's just a regular neighborhood. Starting to experience the flood, and like I said, this is starting to experience it, so we're gonna see how bad this thing gets here. Walking on the road here, people. Fucking road.
You think the pond ran over?
What pond? I know, we about to go check it out. Try to get some footage of the other side of the neighborhood. This is Conway, people.
Into the hill and then kind of reel down. That too. But no, there's another pond over there. I don't know what that one is.
Smell like something dead out there. It smell like something dead out here.
Water. You don't do that with like that river water. Get off me.
This is what you'll experience if you're just
really
walking
high
out
up.
your house and just happen to be there. Yeah, this is what you experience. And it seems like it's getting higher.
Yeah, I don't think it's because it don't look like it's getting lower.
Because look, look at this. Like it wasn't. Look,
Yes, it
I ain't gonna lie, this at the same level. It's probably because we walking. I'm almost out of here. Look at this, people. A regular person, just like you. No news reporter, no anchor man. A regular person just trying to give you an insight of what the hell. What the fuck?
Only reason that whole road ain't flooded is because of this hill.